Hello students, today we are going to learn about the number system. In early days when there were no means of counting, people used to count with the help of fingers, stones, pebbles, sticks, etc. These methods were not adequate and had many limitations. To overcome these limitations, many number systems were introduced with the passage of time, like decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. A number system is a set of values used to represent different quantities such as number of students in a class, number of viewers watching a particular show, etc. We use the decimal number system in our day-to-day life, whereas a computer represents all kinds of data and information, text, numbers, graphics, etc. in the binary number system. The total number of digits used in a number system is called its base or radix. The base is written after the number as a subscript. For example, 15, 10. Students, who is he? He is Aryabhat. Aryabhat was India's greatest mathematician and astronomer. He introduced the concept of zero, without which modern computer technology would have been non-existent. Okay, first let us start with the decimal number system. The need for counting paved the way to introduce decimal number system, in which 0, 1, 2, 3 till 9 are used to form any number. Most of our arithmetic operations are performed with decimal numbers. Decimal number system consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9, with the base 10. Each number can be used individually or they can be grouped to form a numeric value. Example 82 minus 256, 52.87, etc. The value of each digit in a number depends upon the following: the face value of the digit, the base of the number system, the position of the digit in the number. Each position represents a specific power of base 10. The rightmost digit of a number is called least significant digit, whereas the leftmost digit is called most significant digit. For example, the number 547 can be represented in the following way. 7 into 10 raised to power 0, units 7. 4 into 10 raised to power 1, tenths equals to 40. 5 into 10 raised to power 2, hundredths equal to 500, total 547. From this we observe the positional value of each digit increases tenfolds as we move from right to left. In the above mentioned example, 5, 4 and 7 are the face values and their place values are hundreds, tens and units respectively. The place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. Now we will discuss about the various types of number systems that are used in a computer. Students, now let's find out about the binary number system. The binary number system consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Since this system uses two digits, it has the base 2. All digital computers use this number system and convert the input data from the decimal format into its binary equivalent. Students, do you know that Gottfried Leibniz, a German mathematician, is credited with the invention of the modern binary number system? Now students, why should we use binary? A computer cannot understand human language. Rather, it understands only the binary code. Therefore, the data is entered into a computer, is converted into its binary equivalent. It further converts the binary results into their decimal equivalents for output. Students, let us have a discussion. Why do we use binary number system in computers? Okay, now let us find out how the decimal number is converted into binary system. The equivalence between binary and decimal numbers can be understood with the given examples. To convert a decimal number into a binary number, follow the given rules. Step 1. Divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Step 2. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Step 3. Repeat the step 2 till the quotient is 0. Step 4. Write the remainders obtained in each step in the reverse order to form the binary equivalent to the given decimal number. Example 1. Least significant digit. Most significant digit. Thus, 25 raised to power 10 equals to 11001 raised to power 2. The base of number is given as subscript. Example 2. Least significant digit. Most significant digit. Thus, 321 base 10 equals to 101,000,001 base 2. That is, placing the least significant digit at the top and the most significant digit at the bottom. Observe that the remainders obtained in each step are written in the reverse order.